Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's complete step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows 11 update stuck at 0% downloading issue in detail. This is a very common problem that many Windows 11 users face, especially after a fresh installation or during major updates. Usually this happens because of corrupted update cache files, interrupted update services, network issues, or system glitches. But don't worry, if you carefully follow all the steps in this guide, you should be able to fix the issue completely. Let's start with the first and easiest method, which is using the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter. First, right-click on the Start menu and click on Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click on System from the left panel. Now scroll down on the right-hand side until you see the Troubleshoot option and click on it. After that, select Other Troubleshooters. In this section, you will find different troubleshooters for various Windows components. Look for Windows Update and click on the Run button next to it. The troubleshooter will now begin scanning your system. It will check for common update-related problems such as misconfigured services, pending restarts, or corrupted components. If it finds any issue, it will attempt to fix it automatically. Follow any on-screen instructions, and if it asks you to restart your PC, make sure you do so. After restarting, go back to Windows Update and check whether the download is progressing. If your update is still stuck at 0%, don't worry, we'll move to the advanced method. This involves manually resetting the Windows Update components. Click on the Start menu or use the search bar and type CMD. When you see Command Prompt, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If the User Account Control prompt appears, click Yes to grant permission. Now, inside the Command Prompt window, we will stop the update-related services. Type the following command and press Enter. Net stop WAUSERV. This stops the Windows Update service. After that, type net stop bits. This stops the background intelligent transfer service, which handles downloading updates in the background. You can also type net stop cryptserv. This stops the cryptographic service, which is sometimes involved in update verification. Wait until each service confirms it has stopped successfully. Now minimize or close the command prompt for a moment. Open this PC, go to the C drive, then open the Windows folder. Inside the Windows folder, look for a folder called SoftwareDistribution. This folder stores temporary Windows Update files. Sometimes these files become corrupted, which causes the update to freeze at 0%. Open the SoftwareDistribution folder and delete all the files and folders inside it. Don't worry, these are temporary files and Windows will recreate them automatically. After deleting the contents, it's recommended to also check the catroot2 folder. You can find it inside the Windows folder as well. However, only delete its contents if you are comfortable doing so and the system allows it. If not, you can skip this step. Now restart your computer. This is very important because it refreshes all services and clears temporary memory issues. Once your PC restarts, open Command Prompt as Administrator again. Now we need to restart the services we stopped earlier. Type the following commands one by one and press Enter after each. Net start WAUSERV, net start bits, net start cryptserv. After restarting these services, close the command prompt and go back to Settings, then Windows Update, then click Check for Updates. The updates should now begin downloading normally instead of being stuck at 0%. If the issue still persists, you can also check your internet connection, temporarily disable third-party antivirus software, or run the system file checker by typing sfc/scannow in Command Prompt as Administrator. This command scans and repairs corrupted system files that may be interfering with Windows Update. By carefully following all these steps, you are basically resetting the Windows Update components and clearing corrupted cache files, which fixes the majority of update-related problems in Windows 11. I really hope this detailed and complete tutorial helps you solve the Windows 11 update stuck at 0% issue. If it worked for you, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might be facing the same problem. If you still have questions or face any errors, comment down below and I'll try my best to help you. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care.